Yo, what is going on? So this is how to add boarding pass to Apple Wallet. So first, check in online, check in for your flight through the airline's official app website. Make sure you select the option to receive your boarding pass via email. Look for the add to Apple Wallet button. Once you receive your boarding pass via email, open the email and look for a button that says add to Apple Wallet or save to mobile wallet. Anything that says wallet or save or just click on it. This button may be located alongside options to print or email your boarding pass. After you tap this button, if you find the button, tap on it, initiate the process. This may be prompted to authenticate with Face ID, Touch ID, whatever. After that, you're gonna verify the pass, review the boarding pass details, ensure they are accurate, and then tap Add to confirm. Verify in Apple Wallet. After adding the pass, open the Apple Wallet app on your phone to verify that your boarding pass is now stored. Make sure your iPhone is running iOS 14 or later, and your Apple Watch is running Watch OS 7 or later to use this feature. If you're having trouble finding the Add to Apple Wallet button, try checking the airline's app or website for a similar option. Some airlines may have specific requirements or limitations for adding boarding passes to Apple Wallet. Check with your airline for more information. If you're unable to find Add to Apple Wallet button, try deleting the airline's app and reinstalling it, or checking with the airline's customer support for assistance. If you're experiencing issues with adding a boarding pass to Apple Wallet, try restarting your iPhone or checking the software updates. And that's it.